Well, here we are. Did a bit of cleanup tonight. Kind of did a bit of firewall work. Probably see a little better on the inside. Nothing fancy yet. Still got to trim a lot of the excess outside. And I did a bunch of floor work. Nothing's welded in. Everything's kind of just mocked up in place. See if I can get a better picture on the other side. So, I still have to do the trans tunnel. You can see I got my brake pedal. There's my fancy steering wheel. I'm gonna try to clean that up, not make it look so gross. I'm not sure yet if that is gonna have to get heightened up yet. That'll determine. Like I say, nothing's welded in. Just made pans, kind of set them in place right now. They're pretty straightforward. You know, kind of measure, bend. I'm not sure. People want a little tutorials on it. I can do something, but for now, it's pretty much just what I do. I kind of just do. I don't do a lot of the cardboard thing. I'll do the cardboard dealio over this part. All right, you can see floor's coming along. Essentially what I do is, for example, like this trans part, I template out a piece, transfer it to sheet metal, and a little bit of fitment here and there, but for the most part, this is the right piece. You can see I kind of mocked up my shifter. Anyways, I'll show you when I'm all done. Well, a few things have happened since you've seen the last. Kind of mocked up how my seats are going to be. Because I'm using the ugly Sammy column, I just built a cover for around it. My shifter, where it's going to be, is in there. I've mounted my gas pedal. Well, I have it fictionally where it should be. I still got to screw and bolt it properly. The floors are all tacked, or at least the tunnel is. I haven't done anything with the sides yet. I went with the square. I was going to make it round, but I went with square only because of the way this stupid shifter is. So I did round up the front. I figured it'd be easy to do a console, cup holders, whatever down here. There's still everything in here to do, to weld up. I'm thinking tomorrow's project is going to be building a fuel tank for the back. What I plan on doing is running a stock GM sender. I'll just find myself a fuel gauge that'll work with that. I shortened these because the goal is when it's squished down, I'm going to have 10 inches down. But I just want the simplicity of, if I need to do something, I have all the stock 99 or 2000 truck stuff. This one's just for mock-up. But I did figure out I can cut these springs and bob the bottoms. So that's it. I guess tomorrow's project is do my fuel tank.